Welcome to AlphaCars Service Center. Today we're taking a look at this immaculate 2016 Mercedes E400 Coupe. This car does have over $14,000 in factory options, including the P3 and Sport packages. And to top it all off, this has only 13,900 miles on it. So with it being a 2016, you might ask, well, even though it has low mileage, what does the underbody look like? Well, we're gonna do an inspection in this video, and we've actually improved the underbody as we have detailed it and applied an amber coating, which we'll learn a little bit about that as we take a look at the underbody of this E400. We do have a full video overview of this E400, so that'll pop up in the video right now for you to watch if you'd like to see the rest of the vehicle, but this video is only for the underbody inspection. So I've just been walking under it a little bit, and you can see it almost looks like a new vehicle. All the bolts are perfectly clean, the exhaust is clean, there's no corrosion. Even look at these bolts right here. These are some of the eccentric bolts, which you would be turning and adjusting if the vehicle gets a four-wheel alignment, and the threads are clean. And I will mention right now, if you see how it is kind of like a yellow color, that's the amber coating. So it is a see-through coating, but it adds that kind of yellow hue to it. And this amber coating is really gonna protect this already immaculate underbody against corrosion, against rust. It does a great job of providing protection in case the vehicle is driven in the inclement weather or it is out on a salty road at some point. So just taking a look at the front right suspension, like look how clean the caliper is. Even the CV shafts, it's really a great thing to see. We let the camera adjust, sorry it's a little dark, but we can see even the bottom of the shock or the strut rather right there, all very clean, nice, bright, non-corroded caliper. Now moving our way back down the vehicle, we have the transmission pan there and this crossmember. Check out all the bolts in the crossmember, how clean they are. I don't like to use the term, showroom condition all that much, but this vehicle really is in almost showroom condition, especially for 2016. If you were looking for one of these vehicles for this generation, this body style with this engine in it, this is really as close to a new one as you can get right now on the market. So now going back to this kind of rear suspension, you can see the spring perfectly clean, this steel rear subframe, all very clean. The bushings are in all excellent condition. Even these bolts here for the rear differential mount, all perfectly clean. Like I said, that little bit of orange, that's not rust. That's just the protective coating that we have applied. So we've really taken this underbody and improved it because like I said, it is now protected against, becoming maybe something corroded or rusty, what we're used to seeing, here in New England. And all the plastics and everything, we can see there's just a little bit of road grime here and there as we have detailed the underbody, but we've more focused on the metal components that will pick up the corrosion if they aren't protected, because we wanted a nice surface to apply the amber to. But we even look at this front belly pan here, very, very clean, and there's no gouging or scrapes or anything like the vehicle was driven carelessly. And once again, let's give one more walk through here of the underbody, and it's all just really impressive. And then you can be really knowing the full condition of this vehicle. If you watch this video and our other full overview, there's really not one square inch of this car we didn't show you and that we weren't transparent about. So that's really it for this quick video inspection of the underbody of this E400. I want to thank you for watching this video. Like I said, we do have a full video overview on the rest of the vehicle if you're interested in watching that. And at the date of this video posting, this car is available on our website, so definitely keep your eye on our inventory. If you did see this video too late and you did miss this one, well, don't sweat it. We always have fine vehicles like this we're looking for that we're hand selecting to then add to our inventory. And one last thing, if you've watched this far, can you tell us what this is on the exhaust? We can see it's this kind of rubber, a solid rubber piece that's bolted to a bracket only on this side of the exhaust. So if someone can tell us what that is. Of course, we know what it is, but we want to see if anyone else does, as this component is actually pretty interesting. Then definitely, leave that in the comments below. But finally, as I was saying, I've been reporting from our Boxborough Service Center. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.